As a manufacturer or distributor, the way you manage the flow of goods, data, information, and finance will determine your level of success. Introducing Syspro ERP for supply chain management, the secure and efficient solution that gives you the control you need and the experience you want along every step of your supply chain journey. Starting with procurement, the art of getting the best raw materials at the best price from reliable suppliers. Syspro ERP solutions mitigate purchasing risks, improve governance, and maintain negotiated agreements across the organization. Syspro Preferred Supplier optimizes the management of sourcing strategies. Inventory optimization increases forecast demand accuracy and also ensures stock holding is accurate. Syspro Request for Quote allows secure servicing of the RFQ directly by suppliers online. Once your ideal suppliers are in place, the challenge is maintaining the correct stock holding and balancing supply with demand. Here, Syspro Inventory Management, Inventory Optimization, and Bill of Materials facilitate the inbound process, while Syspro Material Requirements Planning creates realistic production, purchasing, and supply transfer schedules. When it comes to operations, the key challenges are manufacturing on time, quality control, and meeting deadlines. Here, Syspro Work in Progress provides you with complete control of the factory floor, and Manufacturing Operations Management monitors and improves your factory's performance, all from one platform. On your outbound journey, the challenge is to deliver the right product in full and on time. Syspro's warehouse management system ensures your goods are delivered to the shop floor just in time, and then accurately picked for dispatch to the customer. With sales and marketing, the key challenge is providing your wholesalers with exactly what they ordered at a mutually beneficial price. Syspro's pricing engine and trade promotions enables you to segment customers based on buying performance. The challenge with service is to ensure customer satisfaction and address any after-sales issues. With Syspro's return merchandise authorization, customer complaints, and supply chain portal, collaboration is streamlined and transparency is enhanced between buyers and suppliers. When it comes to finance, you need a 360-degree picture of your company's financial health. Syspro's accounts receivable ensures timely revenue collection and effective reporting. Accounts payable turns time-consuming processes into a manageable piece of your corporate puzzle. And General Ledger produces your enterprise's financial statements. Business digitalization is opening the door to infinite possibilities. With the likes of Syspro Enterprise Reporting, business activity, improved data access, particularly in the cloud, Syspro Mobile, and more. With the supply chain of tomorrow, every step of the journey will be attuned to the needs of the customer. Our fit-for-purpose supply chain management solution ensures organizational and internal operational control, connectivity, and visibility with enhanced information and intelligence to enable faster and more informed decision-making, giving you the control you need and the experience you want along every step of your supply chain journey.